In this video, I will show you how to import Revit model in Unity with textures. Let's start with the basic FBX export from Unity. Let's import the FBX now in 3ds Max and remove all unnecessary layers. Then we can change the seed materials from AutoCAD standard to physical materials. Let's not forget about applying UAV maps. We can do that in modification panel, and we will apply a typical box type. After that, let's fix our xforms and pivots. We are ready to export FBX model to Unity. Usually default settings should be correct. Just make sure your units are in a reasonable scale. After we have imported FBX to Unity, let's go to Materials on the right hand side and select Material Creation Model Standard Legacy. And now all your materials are converted from autodesk standard to Universal Render Pipeline shaders and has UAV maps included. This also works with other rendering pipelines in Unity. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos to come.